In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a second communication channel to your WordPress website using a custom link with Chaty. Now, just keep in mind that the Chaty plugin allows website owners to communicate with their visitors using multiple chat channels such as WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, TikTok, among many others. So from inside my WordPress dashboard, I'll come down to Chaty and open this plugin. As you can see, there's an existing widget which I am going to edit. So this existing widget shows me that I have several chat channels added to my Chaty plugin. In first instance, I have the Chatway live channel added. As you can see, it's on the top. I also have a WhatsApp channel. I also have an email channel and a Telegram channel. You can see each of these channels on the right. Additionally, you can see that each channel displays on the bottom of the window, including settings and other features that you can customize. Now, let's suppose I wanted to add a secondary Telegram channel, or maybe a secondary email channel, or a secondary WhatsApp channel. If I wanted to add a secondary Telegram channel and I touch this channel icon here, it will disappear from the right and from the bottom. Let's see. I'm going to touch the Telegram channel here, and as you can see, it disappeared from the right, and as I scroll down, I cannot find the Telegram channel any longer. So that is not the way to add a secondary Telegram channel. Instead, what I'm going to do is hit the custom channel button, and it opens up a custom channel option. And from here, when I touch the settings button, I can then choose the channel type from the drop down. As you can see, I have WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, phone, email, Instagram DM, and all the channels that appeared on the top. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find Telegram. So I have now added a secondary Telegram channel. From here, I just need to enter my username, choose whether or not I want it to show on desktop or mobile. I also have the option to change the icon appearance color. I can also upload a custom image and change the icon only if I upgrade to the Pro version. So if you are interested in getting the Pro version, you can check the link in the description of this video. It's an affiliate link, so if you decide to upgrade, it also supports this channel at no extra cost to you. And finally, you can also change the on-hover text. In this case, it says Telegram, but if I position my mouse over the custom link on the right side, it says custom link, and actually the other one says Telegram. So what I'm going to do here is just type Telegram 2, and it should have changed on the right side. So there you go, Telegram 2. And once you have made all these changes, don't forget to save the changes. So as you can see, that is how you easily add a second communication channel to your WordPress website using a custom link in Chaty. But now, stay with me to watch more videos about WordPress chat solutions.